Hi everyone, welcome to Takeoff Group, a multidisciplinary platform for academic institutions, industries and research. Our workshop title, Hands-on Design and Implementation of QCA Technology-based Digital Circuits using Xilinx Vivado with Verilog HDL in FPGA. Scope of workshop. Main objective of our workshop is to make students conceptually, practically aware about FPGA boards and tool working. Brief about FPGA. FPGAs are semiconductor devices that are based around a matrix of configurable logic blocks, CLBs, which are connected via programmable interconnects. FPGA can be reprogrammed for desired applications or functionality requirements after manufacturing. Whatever the work done by microprocessors or controllers can also done by FPGA. Program structure. Duration is 2 days, 6 hours per day, carried with 4 sessions. Session 1. About VLSI. Justifying the definition, founder, laws and about VLSI in Word. Introduction to digital circuits. Here about digital systems, logic gates, combinational and digital circuits with some examples are discussed. Differences between analog and digital circuits. About differences between analog and digital circuits with justification and examples are seen here. Introduction to QCA. Here about QCA functionality is discussed. Tool installation process where installation procedure is discussed and then analyzing and working of tool Xilinx Vivado is discussed. Session 2. Introduction to HDL. Here the importance and use of HDL is discussed and then we'll discuss about the Verilog HDL. The basics of Verilog HDL and its syntaxes are discussed and then coding styles of Verilog HDL. There are 3 coding styles: data flow, behavioral, structural. These 3 structures are discussed with their syntax. Session 3 and 4 goes for practical sessions by coding some examples and interfacing with FPGA like basic input-output programs, interfacing LED, 7-segment and sensors. LCD. To show LCD application, the requirements we need are FPGA kit, LCD and power supply. So from here I am giving power supply to the kit and LCD is connected here. So now I have sent the message hello hi in this LCD. To send this message in LCD or to display this message, we need to write a program and that program should be dumped in this FPGA. Next application is 7-segment display. So in our kit itself it is having a 7-segment display. So similarly a code is written for this and that is dumped in this FPGA, and now I am going to show you the output of hexadecimal values in this 7-segment display. So starts here from 0 to F. This is how our 7-segment display works. Our next application is temperature sensor with LED, that is the output is shown in LED. This is our temperature sensor here. So the temperature sensor code is written and that is dumped in FPGA board here, and that output is shown in this LEDs. And now the code has been dumped and here you can see the that LED is on glowing. So here based upon the temperature the intensity of this LED changes. So observe the changes what is happening here. The intensity is going to be changed and the variations is going to be shown here. What you will gain. Brief about FPGA boards and its features, interfacing procedure of different codes with FPGA and observing the practical outputs with theoretical ones. Here awareness on FPGA concepts, FPGA overview, fundamentals of digital electronic Xilinx Vivado tool are discussed, and along with that interfacing hardware components with FPGA and to learn the practical applications of QCA technology in VLSI. Certification. All our certificates have a unique ID which can be verified in online for lifetime. Participation certificate, appreciation certificate for top performers, certification of coordinators, memento for department or college. Pre-requirements. FPGA development board, management needs to provide a seminar hall with projector and mic and hardware lab with computers or laptops. For any queries, contact 903033 433 or 087722 61612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.